Where are we off to then, Phil?
Another tile bombing at Stanton Moor.
Okay, and what we're going to put up?
Shit knows.
Have a guess.
I think it's the 9 out of 10 people pick up the poo.
Okay, these guys better watch out. Screw the poo is for somewhere else.
Nobody around, which is incredible. Such a busy place. Scarpa now we've left it.
And they've been doing things since the Bronze Age here, haven't they, Phil? So what do you think they're going to think when people find this in the future?
They were shit after around that age.
Doing, Phil. Then, Phil.
Really cool.
Stop 3 then, Phil.
Stop 3.
Where are we? What are we doing?
This is Lathkill, the entrance of Lathkill Dale, and we get a lot of people taking the dogs, especially dog walkers. There's several dogs. This is don't spoil the view, pick up your poo. Are you ready for it?
Let's hope it works.